Hi, today I'm going to demonstrate the salty fish flavored eggplant pot.
Ingredients are minced pork 300 grams, eggplant 1 piece around 250 grams, salty fish 1 piece around 30 grams, garlic 3 pieces chopped in dice, shallot 1 piece chopped in dice, red hot chili 1 piece chopped in dice, spring onion 2 tablespoons, bean paste 1½ tablespoon, brown sugar 2 teaspoons, Shaoxing wine 1 tablespoon, cooking oil 6 tablespoons, drinking water 100 milliliters. Rinse eggplant, peel it in stripped section and cut into pieces. Rinse salty fish and chop small dice. Add 4 tablespoons oil into the pan. Use high heat. Add eggplant in boiling oil. Stir fry eggplant until all eggplants absorb oil. Take out the eggplants. Add the rest of 2 tablespoons oil. Use high heat. Add minced pork, Shaoxing wine. Stir fry a little. Add garlic dice, shallot dice, salty fish, bean paste, and brown sugar. Stir fry a little. Transfer minced pork to the pot. Add eggplant, drinking water, high heat to boil. Stir them well. Turn to medium heat when boiling. Cover it to cook for 15 minutes. Sprinkle spring onion and serve. Enjoy!